láàrin ọba Fẹ́mi Awólọ́wọ̀ àti Ládòkè Akíntọ́lá kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú wọn torí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn olóṣèlú ló máa ń tò sí igun kọ̀ọ̀kan báyìí gbogbo wọn máa ń fẹ́ ríra wọn bíi igun olóyè ọba Fẹ́mi Awólọ́wọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ èyí fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa olóyè ẹsẹ̀ Akíntọ́lá ṣé káwọn aráàlú mọ̀ bá rí wọn bákan ni àbí kí gangan ló ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì mo mọ̀ pé ẹ lè sọ tán àwọn méjèèjì fún wa láti rán wa létí.
These were very good friends. One was leader, the other was the deputy leader. And they worked together. Baba was premier here. Baba Akintola was representing us in the federal government. Was Minister of Communication. He was leading only the action of federal parliament. But Anthony Nehru moved motion in 1953 for independence. In fact, the final motion for independence, Akintola ló move it now. As a national grouper. Baba wa lọ sí federal house. Wọ́n dẹ̀ believe pé kò yẹ ká méjèèjì jọ wà federal house pé kó òun wá sí kó wá di premier. 1960 there was no problem. Baba làwọn méjèèjì jẹ́ fún wa. Baba bẹ̀rẹ̀ television 1959. Wọ́n ń ṣe rédíò lọ́wọ́ ni wọ́n kúrò. Baba Akintola parí ẹ̀ ní May 1960. Baba Awolowo ní ó yẹ ká ní yunifásitì. Baba Akintola ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀. Baba Awolowo ní ó yẹ ká ní Premier Hotel. Baba Akintola ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀. What I'm trying to say ni pé 1960, 1961, 1962 kò sí wàhálà. He continued the policies tí bàbá ẹ̀ fi lẹ̀. But kò sí relationship tí ò ní sí problem. Particularly nínú country tá a wà yìí. One problem tí wọ́n kọ́ ní was ideological. Baba Awolowo had become sophisticated in ideology. We adopt democratic socialism. With the young boys, the Nauros, the Kokus, the Olaigis, all of that. Baba Akintola, older too, kò fagbára rò bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó yẹ ká ṣe. And because he had the cleavage, this ideological orientation evolved while Ashimawa relate in Nigeria. The younger people rò pé well, àwọn Igbosi they are educated. Let's work together. Let's form the United Progressive Grand Alliance. Ó lè jẹ́ pé it ought to be clear to all of them pé Igbo cross in Yoruba. That they distorted the story of how Awolowo emerged as leader of government. Even now, somebody has sọ̀rọ̀ Awolowo in terms of the civil war. Awolowo no ma blame the civil war, wọ́n blame Hausa àbí Fulani tó wá bá wọn jà. Akintola rò wípé ó yẹ ká bá Hausa ṣe. Awolowo and the educated elite believe we ká bá Igbo ṣe. Now basically because of the differences, ideological. And ilẹ̀ Yorùbá náà nìyẹn ti lè ṣẹlẹ̀. Yorùbá máa sọ pé àlejò sùn kí gbogbo akọrí sọ̀nà kan. There are two other tracks tó níyẹn ní Nàìjíríà. But we must always remember that from 1951 until 1962, these people worked together. We don't create the concept of free education. We don't create the concept of free health. I'm an Awoist. Omotila deliver election about the Akintola because Akintola started as an Awoist. So, Sherry Ikati Agbodo Mashi is to see what binds us together. Ikato Swapo do continue to create differences láàrin wa. But Ikati àwa òde òní máa for our own advantage. A máa ń tẹnu mọ́ òní ká tó separate wa. In 1966 nígbà tí kù ṣẹlẹ̀ tán ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tó jẹ́ Akíntọ́lá ló ṣèǹjì orúkọ wọn. But yet the government insisted pé a máa ní Ládòkè Akintola University. It's there today. Eloquent testimony to foresight. So ẹ jẹ́ ká máa wo nǹkan tó bind wa together ni. And I remember that by 1995-96 there was effort láti marry back the Awolowo family and the Akintola family. Mo rò pé Olúwọlé Awólọ́wọ̀ àti Yomi Akintola, they became friends. Yomi even became an ambassador under Atito Hungary, under Baba Obasanjo, while Tokunbo Awolowo was an ambassador to Netherlands. He was trying to bring everybody together. It is in unity that is our strength. Yes, we will have little differences. We have a way of making mountain out of nothing. Baba Awolowo is fundamental. It's our Oduduwa. Akintola is our assistant Oduduwa. He did what he could do. At some instances, àwọn aráàta aṣígi adìyẹ wálẹ̀ wọn kì wọ́n bọ̀ wá fúrọ̀ wọ́n exploit wa, which was what led to state of emergency, which was what led to creation of NNDP, sending Awolowo to prison and all of that. But history has a way of vindicating. Awolowo was vindicated. Perhaps if Awolowo was not in prison, he would have been killed during the coup. So God has his own way. So why are we questioning the ways of God? There are things about Awolowo you cannot contravene. There are things about Akintola that you cannot contravene. He's a master diplomat. He's a master linguist. He's a master campaigner. Fine. Baba Awolowo was a theorist, planner, adequate planner, with huge foresight, and in fact a political prophet of that time. Èmi rò wípé àwọn tí wọ́n kàn fẹ́ jẹ́ mẹ́ èmi lọ́mọ Awólọ́wọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ oṣù ọmọ Awólọ́wọ̀. Tani láti 1954 ẹ bá lọ school ọmọ Awólọ́wọ̀ ni. There was free education. Àwọn tí ó lọ free education, they got a scholarship. The first range of educated people, scholarship in Western region, no now. They became professors, they became what they became. So, and in some ways, Akintola sustained some of them. And his politics, but he would deviate a little bit to form NNDP, to ally pẹ̀lú NPC. The Minister of Education was over Akindide. The Yoruba benefited. But foreign scholarship tó jẹ́ pé ajá wọn ṣùkú máa kó lọ sí ìsìngbà Akindide fún Yorùbá bẹ́ẹ̀. Àwọn foreign scholarship, foreign fellowship tí a ti ẹ̀ gbọ́n pa ẹ̀, federal government scholarship tá a kì í rí gbà abẹ̀sí tiwa mẹ́. You know, it led into some tussle. By under Awashuku, they put an Njoku as Vice Chancellor of University of Lagos, owned by federal government. They put DK, also another Igbo, as Vice Chancellor of University of Ibadan, owned by federal government. But nítorí pé Akintola lẹ́nu bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n fi gbé Obaku replace ẹni Njoku. Okay? We were able to establish that. So there are pluses and minuses, but supremacy position of Awolowo is unassailable. The contribution of Akintola is also unassailable.